If your little giant pump is humming but not pumping water, the impeller is likely the problem. The impeller is the crucial part that forces water out of the pump and into the discharge pipe. When you hear humming but see no water flow, this indicates the motor is receiving power, but the impeller isn't turning. This is a clear sign of impeller problems. The most common cause is debris blockage. Leaves, dirt, sand, or gravel can jam the impeller, preventing it from turning freely. Another common cause is a faulty capacitor. The capacitor provides the electrical boost needed to start the motor. When it fails, the motor will hum, but the impeller won't move. Other potential issues include airlocks that prevent proper water flow, check valve problems, internal leaks, low voltage, overheating, or a defective motor. Understanding these common causes helps you identify the problem quickly. In the next section, we'll cover how to troubleshoot and fix a jammed impeller step by step. Always disconnect the pump from power before beginning any inspection or repair work. This is critical for your safety. First, remove the pump from its location and disassemble it to access the impeller. This typically involves removing the base or volute cover. Remove the volute cover to expose the impeller. You'll often find debris like leaves, dirt, or gravel that has jammed the impeller blades. Manually clear any visible debris from the impeller blades and housing. Use your hands or a screwdriver to gently remove all obstructions. If the impeller is clear, but the motor only hums without turning, the capacitor is likely faulty. The capacitor provides the electrical boost needed to start the motor. Replace the faulty capacitor with one of the same specifications. Always discharge the capacitor safely using insulated tools before handling. Inspect the float switch for obstructions or debris that might prevent it from moving freely. Clean the float and remove any blockages. Test the float switch for continuity using a multimeter to ensure it's functioning properly. Regular maintenance prevents future issues. Clean pump components every 6 months, inspect for wear and corrosion, and check the float regularly for debris buildup. If problems persist after troubleshooting, consult a qualified technician or contact Little Giant customer support for professional diagnosis.